So today we're using chocolate or bark, something like that. And you can use vanilla too. We're using chocolate, and we're gonna break this in half, and then we're gonna put these. They're pretzels, but they have peanut butter inside. We're gonna melt this, and then we're gonna cover them up, and we're gonna put them on the pan, let them dry, and then that's gonna be it. And then it takes like an hour for them to dry, something like that. But we're gonna try to break this in half. Oh.
How about you put it right here long ways, like that, and then wham. Need help?
Here, baby.
Here, you film me.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay. Tell them. We'll go to the next step. Tell them what to do.
Next step, you take it over here, put it in the microwave. 1 minute.
1 eternity later.
So we kind of lied, but it took 2 minutes. But we're gonna go ahead and put the pretzels in here. Well, never mind. Nice it up.
What you got 2 forks for?
Oh, for you. You're gonna help me, but
I'll show you do a couple and then we'll pause it. Chef Boyardee.
this shirt is from the last day of school. That's why it has everybody's name on it and stuff. But yeah, I get shirts for the last day of school and let people write on them.
Is that right?
Okay.
So show us how to make these chocolate covered pretzels.
Why you need forks though is if you use a spoon, all the chocolate's just gonna stay on it and stuff and melt, like get on the spoon. And if you use a knife, that's just wrong. But if you use a fork, done. The rest of the chocolate will just drizzle down the holes.
Can you show us how to do that?
So you do this. You can get 2, and then just let it drip a little bit. And then you set it down, set that down.
I thought you were gonna let some chocolate drip off of there. Alright, we're gonna cut.
So you can either wait 10 minutes or if you want like 20 or even 15. These are already dry, it's been like 10 minutes. But
Which ones are dry?
These, this one ain't like dry fully, but we just put those down. You can either wait an hour for them like to fully dry, but I'm gonna eat one.
What do you think?
Pretty good. You can either make these at home, you can make them yourself. They're not really hard. Remember, put them in there for 2 minutes.
Put what in there?
Put chocolate in there, or even vanilla in there. And you can get these at Walmart, Berkshire's. I don't really think they're at Aldi's, but other stores like that and stuff. But other than that, they're pretty good. And you can try them for yourself at home. Goodbye.